Using a sharp scalpel, we're going to begin cutting at the underside of the snout, in the center of the mandible. Pulling the scalpel down the center line of the body, you make a single cut through the thorax to the umbilicus. We trace back over our first cut, getting deeper into the tissue, being careful not to puncture any membranes or delicate tissues beneath the dermis and fascia. Be aware the preservative fluid may seep out, making the scalpel slippery. Here, we are making a cut on either side of the umbilical cord and reflecting the tissue for examination. We cut around the umbilical cord and pull the tissue away to expose the abdominal cavity, being careful not to perforate the intestinal tract. We continue cutting down into the upper leg and pelvis. We repeat the cut on the other side of the umbilical cord. Here, you can see the vein and artery of the umbilical cord.